All right, I got some Motown for you today. We got My Girl by The Temptations. It's got a little bass line that starts it off, so we don't really need to play yet, but if you want to know what that bass line is, it's basically these notes here. It's a C and a C. It's like... except a lot lower on a bass, right? So we got little 8 and we got 5 on the G string. And then we're going to start our main riff. We have... okay, so that's the C note here, 5th fret, G string, and then 7, 9, and then down a string, 8 to 10 to little 8. So we got... we're going to do that 3 times. First 2 are setting it up, and then the third one is part of the beginning of the verse. We're going to switch to an F chord, which is going to put us on this note. So we made the same type of riff, just lower to match F. So 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, 6 on the next one. We're back to C. So it ends up being like 4 back and forth of the C to F once the verse starts. Once we've done our verse thing, our C riff to F riff 4 times, then we're going to have this walk up, C twice, D minor twice, F twice, and G twice. And then we'll do that again, C, D minor, F to G. And then we're going to get into a C here. We're going to go bum, 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 bum. Then D minor, we're going to go bum, bum, bum. And 1 hit on a G. And then F, F, G, G, and we're back into a new verse. So we have this riff, C to F, 4 times. We have our C twice to D minor again, F to G. Have that chorus again. And then okay, then we have a quick little intro again with that bass. We got, and then we have our riff again 3 times for C, like the intro. And then a new verse starts, going to F. Now that was a little thing to get us into the bridge. So that was just a C riff 3 times, then a F, then a C, then a F, and then we have a... so D minor twice, kind of slow, G twice, and then we have E minor, bum, bum, bum. So we're gonna have 2 hits on that, and then 3 quick ones. So bum, 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 bum. And then A major, we're going bum, bum, bum. So 3 hits. And then we have a key change to D. Okay, so our riff ends up going from D to G at that point. So let's look at this new part again. We have the C, we had the intro, kind of stopped things. Then we had a C riff 3 times. And then F, C, and F. And then we got this D minor kind of bridge. E minor. Dun, 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 bum, bum, bum. All right, then when we're in D, we're gonna go back to this riff, starting on the D string this time. So we can do it nice and low. So that's open, 2, 4, 2, 4, 3. And then we're gonna go down to the G string open. Go 2, 4, 3, 5, 3. Okay, and we got that 4 times back and forth for this new verse. Let's try it together. 3, 4. To G, D, times. Now what we have is 2 Ds and 2 E minors, 2 Gs, 2 As, and we'll do those again. D, E minor, G to A. And then we kind of just strum this D, 8 beats, E minor for 4, and then this little riff could go with that. So we got 2 2 open open on the G, 4 4 2 2 on the D, and we're back into D chord, E minor, you can kind of strum the first 2 A chords and then go into the rest of the riff. Okay, and it just fades out after that. So let's take a quick look at everything. So we had the little bass thing. We got our main C riff. Okay, it does it twice, and then we get a verse going. That's where we went C to F. And we do that 4 times, back and forth. Then we get into this change, C to D minor, 2 each. F to G, same thing. And then we had this chorus on the C chord. Bum, 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 bum. D minor, hit on the G, and then F, F, G, G. Next verse is the same, next kind of change is the same, chorus the same. Kind of stops everything for the intro again with the bass. And you get back into your C riff. You do that like 3 times, that gets you into the F. Now this one just goes like C to F, C to F, and then we have this bridge, D minor to G, E minor, bum, 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 bum. So one more time on that, we had 2 hits, G, and then E minor has extras, bum, 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 1, 2, 3 on that A, and then we're in D. Okay, so that's like 4 times. We got our walk up D to E minor, G to A. We'll do that twice. And then we're in kind of the outro chorus. D for 2 bars, E minor. And then we got the walk down on A. All right, My Girl, The Temptations, a little Motown for you. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. There will be a tab with this. We'll talk to you all soon.